Whether it's Sprite or Fanta, Coca-Cola or Minute Maid, the Coca-Cola company has been one of those institutions that we don't even realize has such an influential part in our lives. Hey guys, just Vaish here. If you're thinking of investing, go ahead and check the links below to get started. And as always, please don't forget to drop a huge thumbs up on this video to support the growth of my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to learn more, and stay tuned to this video to learn why I'm going to be adding Coca-Cola to my portfolio. Stay tuned! So the Coca-Cola company is your traditional beverage company that owns many parts of its supply chain, from the creation of these beverages, the bottling, the supply and distribution, the shelving, and almost all parts of that entire supply chain. And more importantly, Coca-Cola has many household brands that we're very familiar with, from literally Coca-Cola, Sprite, Fanta, Minute Maid, vitamin water, and many others. And what's really cool is they've also started blended categories where you don't have your traditional water or you don't have your traditional sugary drink, you have a mix with items such as vitamin water. And further, Coca-Cola began trading on the public market in 1919, so over 100 years now, and they are one of the few companies to have paid a consistent dividend for the past 59 years, which makes them a dividend aristocrat. So with Coca-Cola, I really wanted to know more about it because it's a household name that many of us either consume or are very well aware of. Coca-Cola can be found on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol KO, and at an average price of around $50.81 US, Coca-Cola has been paying a consistently growing dividend over the past 59 years. And that amounts to around $1.68 US per year, which is approximately 3.32%. So it really comes down to whether or not you want to buy several thousand cans of Coke over your life, or if you'd rather just buy a stock and experience those dividends and let the dividends pay for the cans of Coke. As a dividend investor, I look at Coca-Cola as one of those institutions that will continuously provide a growing dividend for my portfolio. Whether I choose to increase it over the several years or build a strong foundation now and let the dividend reinvesting take over, a company like Coca-Cola will allow me to experience both the growth on a dividend side of things and over a long period of time, growth on the actual stock. With a company like Coca-Cola, especially for a novice investor like me, whether it's the 2008 crash or the 2020 crash, consumers are always going to buy things like Coke or water. And so these are virtually recession-proof stock. Now at $50 US, being a Canadian, it's a little bit of a stretch because it's still US dollars. And because I'd be investing out of a TFSA, I would still be subject to that 15% non-resident withholding tax that the IRS in the States will place upon any of my dividends. That being said, this may be one of those smart moves to hold on for a longer time frame, and because it will continue to multiply, it's going to be a long sort of snowball effect that will continue to multiply over several decades. So whether it's that next time you buy a bottle of Sprite or a can of Coke, think about what it means to be an actual investor of the Coca-Cola company. I hope you guys learned something new, and if you end up deciding to put Coca-Cola into your portfolio, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to drop a huge thumbs up to support the growth of my channel. And if you're looking to start investing, don't forget to subscribe and check out the links below. But until then, I'll see you guys next time.